And this is our clever idea for storing our Christmas tree. This is a sono tube or a concrete forming tube from the hardware store. You can pick it up there, and this one is 9.5 inches in diameter, and you defluff your Christmas tree and push it in the tube, and then you can store it standing up wherever you have room for it. My Christmas tree comes in 3 parts, so once I get the first one put in, I stand it up and give it a little bit of a tap and let it drop down to the bottom, and then I add the middle piece, tap it a little bit so it goes down, and then the top piece. It's actually a good workout too. And there you have it. Our Christmas tree is all ready to be stored until next season.